may just go away. If you've ever looked in the mirror and felt frustrated because of acne scars that just won't fade, you are not alone. Many women carry these silent reminders of their past skin struggles. Maybe your acne cleared up years ago, but the marks left behind still impact your confidence. At Glownest, we understand that acne scars aren't just skin deep. They affect how we feel in our own bodies. But here's the truth. You deserve to feel beautiful, confident, and radiant, hiding behind layers of concealer. In this video, we're going to talk about how to permanently fade acne scars using natural, science-backed methods. This is about steady, loving care and giving your skin the healing it truly needs. Okay, let's talk about sunscreen. Sunscreen is non-negotiable, especially when it comes to fading acne scars. Sun exposure can make acne scars darker and more stubborn. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, even when it's cloudy or you're indoors. Opt for a mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. And don't forget to reapply every 2 to 3 hours, especially if you're sweating or swimming. Let's talk about vitamin C, a skincare superhero for fading acne scars and giving your skin a healthy glow. Vitamin C is a potent brightening agent that inhibits melanin production, helping to fade dark spots and even out your skin tone. It also boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and plump. Look for a serum with a concentration of 10 to 20%. Apply it every morning after cleansing and toning, but before sunscreen. Use your vitamin C serum consistently, and you'll start to see those scars fading over time. For natural skincare lovers, Aloe Vera and Rosehip oil are rock stars for fading acne scars. Aloe Vera is a natural anti-inflammatory that calms redness and soothes irritation. Rosehip oil is packed with vitamin A, promoting cell turnover and improving skin texture. In the evening, apply a thin layer of fresh aloe vera gel to your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. After rinsing off the aloe vera, apply 2 to 3 drops of cold-pressed rosehip oil to your damp skin. Consistency is key with natural ingredients, so use them regularly for the best results. Gentle exfoliation is crucial for fading acne scars and revealing smoother skin. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, making acne scars less prominent. AHAs, like glycolic acid and lactic acid, are chemical exfoliants that dissolve dead skin cells. Start with lactic acid if you're new to acids, as it's gentler on the skin. Use a gentle AHA toner or serum 2 to 3 times a week, gradually increasing frequency. Always follow up with a moisturizer and sunscreen after using an AHA exfoliant. Meet your new skincare BFF niacinamide. Niacinamide, or vitamin B3, fades hyperpigmentation and dark spots left by acne. It strengthens your skin barrier, keeping moisture in and irritants out. Niacinamide also calms inflammation, reduces redness, and controls oil production. Look for a serum with a concentration of 5 to 10%. Niacinamide plays well with most other skincare ingredients, so you can easily layer it with your favorites. Let's bring a little DIY spa day into your skincare routine with a honey and turmeric mask. Honey draws moisture to the skin and has antibacterial properties. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that calms redness and brightens the skin. Combine 1 teaspoon of raw honey and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to make a smooth paste. Apply the mask to clean, dry skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off the mask thoroughly with lukewarm water and use it once or twice a week. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to fading acne scars and achieving clear, radiant skin. Healing acne scars is a journey, not a race. Be patient with your skin and yourself. Stay hydrated, eat antioxidant-rich foods, sleep well, avoid picking, and be patient. Each time you apply that serum or wear that sunscreen, you're telling yourself, pick one of the tips from above and start small. Stay consistent and keep believing. At Glownest, we're walking beside you every step of the way. If this guide helped you, share it with a friend and subscribe to Glownest for more tips. You've got this, and we've got you.